This is the fifth episode, and here we'll use the grid and progress bar component to work on About Us. First, let's work on this title and subtitle. So open your code editor, and just after this hero, add a comment about, add a div tag with ID about, add another div tag with a class container fluid. Then for title holder, add another div tag with a class title holder. For title, we will add them in S2 tag. You can copy the title from website and paste them over here. Since About Us has got different text color, let's add them in span tag so we can style them later. For the subtitle, add them under P tag. You can then copy the subtitle from website and paste them over here. Once done, check the preview and you can see title and subtitle over here. Now let's add this image and content. So open Bootstrap, click on Docs. On the layout, click Grid. On the responsive, click All Breakpoint. We need similar example, so we need to add a div with class row, and we need to add other div with the breakpoints. So just after this title holder div, add a new div with class row. For image, let's add another div with class colMD5. We will add our image over here. Then for content, add another div with class colMD7. Let's add the P tag. Now let's copy the content from the website and paste them over here. Let's add the P tags. Let's also add the source of image, which is under images folder. I want to add this about.jpg. In the alt attribute, let's just add about. Then to make this image responsive, I will use a Bootstrap class called img fluid. Once done, check the side. And now we can see image and content over here. Now let's add this progress bar. Again, we need to use grid layout. So just after this div, add another div with the class row. Add another div with the class col6. Since we are working on progress bar, add another div with the class progress bar. If you look at design, we got title and 100% label over here. So let's create new div tag, and for title, I will add them under span tag. Let's copy the title. Then for 100%, I will add them in another span tag. Now we'll add display flex. So go back to Bootstrap website. Under utilities, click flex. To add display flex on your div, we need to add this class d-flex. So add them in your div tag. And to keep them side by side, we need to add justify content. And we need to use justify content between. So again, copy this class name and paste them over here. Once done, check the preview and we can see them side by side now. Now let's add this progress bar. So go to Bootstrap website, under components, click progress. Let's copy any example. You can then paste them over here. Once done, check the preview, and our progress bar is ready. We need 5 more progress bar, so let's copy the existing one. And you can paste them 5 more times. Now let's update each of them. The second one is communication. So let's replace them over here. And for this bar, let's modify them to 85. Likewise, let's modify the rest 4 of them. The final one is this time management. So let's update them over here. And let's also update the progress value. Once done, check the preview. And you can see all the progress bar over here. Now let's apply some style. First, let's apply padding top and bottom in this section, just like in the design. So go back to Bootstrap website. Under utilities and spacing, we can add some margin and padding. We need to apply padding, so we need to use P. And the padding need to get applied on top and bottom, so we need Y. And we can use any one of the value. So where it says about ID, let's add a new class, P for padding, Y for top and bottom, and dash 5 for any value. Now you can see padding top and bottom. Then let's apply some style in this title and subtitle. So you might need to open my GitHub account, open SCSS folder and custom.scss. You then need to copy this title holder, and you can add them under your custom.scss file. Once done, check the preview, and title holder is looking great. We then need to apply some margin bottom according to the design. So again, go to Bootstrap. For margin, we need to use M. And for bottom, we need to use B and some value. So in the row class name, add MB-4. Check the preview. And now we can see some spacing over here. And we have same sort of spacing in this progress bar. So let's copy this class name and add them in every column. Once done, check the preview. And this time, everything is looking exactly the same as in the design. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll use the scroll spike component to work on go to top button. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.